Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm from Nandri. So today, in this video, I want to make a tutorial about Digi card or name card. So let's start the project. So if you want to create a project, you need to first search for Codular, uh, Codular.io here, and then goes to create apps. If you haven't logged in, just log in first, and then goes to create project here. Give your project name here, name card. So today the tutorial is name card. So in when you make a project name, you can't use a space because it's not allowed. So we are going to use underscore and then yeah, and then goes to next. If when you are in the app name here on configure the project, you may use a space like this name, and then goes to default. The theme is default. The package name, use your name, or you can use your domain like this, and then use the app name like this. But I will use my name here and not card credit and card name card. And then for the primary color and all here, the color no need to change, just leave like this. Goes to finish here, and then when you're going here, you will the the screen will goes here. This is the so we're going to start from this when making the app. So change the viewer to Samsung Galaxy S9. Makes the align horizontal become center, and the top align vertical make it center too. And then for the status bar show it, and then for the show option menu, make it uh, uh, and make it invisible. Like this by clicking the checklist here, and the three dots will go. And then for the title, we will give it a name card like this. And then we're going to start by giving this background. So how to give a background? You need to have a background first, and then uh, you make a color here by clicking this background color. Change the color here, and then and then set like this. Or you can make it with your design by clicking here background image. So how we can use the image? First goes to here to asset manager by clicking the button on the top right, on the top right. The icon is image icon. So go upload asset. So I have a asset here. So I just need to edit to add it to here. Wait, wait. So this is the background. Wait, lagging. Still uploading to. Oh, cannot upload me. No, internet here. So we're going to repeat it. Just search it. So this is the background. Upload. Upload this. The image to upload. Maybe it's lagging here. Oh, here is the image. How to see the image is correct by clicking on the text here, iPhone SE 1, and you may see the image. So and then goes to background image, click it, and search for iPhone for the image that you insert. Click iPhone SE. So if you want to insert the image, first you need to upload it to Asset Manager and then use it here. Or maybe if you insert an image here. Okay, we're going to continue. Uh, Goes to layout here, and then general, and then drag card view to the screen. And you may see here, this is the card view. Set the corner radius. Set the corner radius here is 20, and the elevation is 10. And then set the and then goes set the height here is 75. Set the height is 75%, and the width and the width is 85%. And you may see here the width, the image, the card view is being bigger. And then for the align horizontal, we're going to make it center, and the align vertical are also center. So you can see here the image is the card view is here. So let's see on the companion by testing it. Click on test, connect to companion. Wait, so here is the result. There is the result. So let's continue to the project. So for the image, we are going to input image. The image goes to user interface. Here goes to palette and search for user interface. You may see here there is image, and then put it on the card view, and you can see it is on the middle. Uh, and then so for the image height is 18%. 18%. And I want to add an image here. Go to upload asset again. and I will input my image. Um, so if you want the image is ellipse, you need to put an ellipse image. You see here, so it's shown the image here, and this is the result. So and then we're going to make it goes top first. We're adding a space here, goes to layout and general, add space, and then change the height is 1%, and then search for label. There's the label, keep a label here, and for the label is, for the width is 50%, 50%, and let's add a text here. So I'm going to input my name, and then text the text alignment to center, and then for the font typeface, I will use serif, or you can use the other, and then make it font black, so the font is bold. And then for the font size, I will change it into 16 size. So you may see here the level more bigger, and then give a space 3% space here. The height is 3%. 3%. And then we are going to add level. For the text level is for the width is 60%, and match the text alignment to center again. And you can add maybe some text like what's position you are. I am in junior high high school. Click enter. So for the text is 14. I will use one space, or maybe default, just default here, and maybe I will add it also to 15. And let's do a test again. Yeah, so this is the when it's shown. Wait, let me see here. So there's my name. Maybe I can add the width of my name more clear, like maybe 60%. Yes, this. And then we are going to add more yeah, we're going to add something more, like maybe my phone number. So I will use logos beside the my number phone number. So first goes to layout, goes to here, and you may see here there's horizontal arrangement. Drag it down. Uh, so we're going to set the for the width is fill pattern, and for the height for the height is automatics. So for the make it center and make the background is none. So here this maybe we can make the height become 6%, and then we're going to add the icon here. First pick up asset, uh, oh, so this is the file ng. We're going to make add image here and make the size to 24 times 24 pixel. And then add the image at the call png. If it was logging here, okay. Maybe no internet here. It was lagging here. No internet right now. So wait. We are going to connect the internet. And now we're going to continue. Repeat call png. We're gonna restart. We're doing Demcard project before. So it was clicking here. Transconnect here. We can do reset. We can do reset. Oh, there is another here. Maybe I can wait first. I will change place. So let's go back. So here's the image and it space. For the space, the width is 1%. and add level. And for the level width is automatic, and for the font size we are using 15. And then add your phone number by clicking show our input my number plus exit 838 1473 and 523 2. So here, let's back to the test. We're going to test it. Uh, just wait.
In my
I'm
class.
going to continue.
In my class.
So for the last,
Aja.
I will input
Aja in my class.
I will input vertical arrangement. Horizontal arrangement.
Chair. Rotatable chair.
Horizontal arrangement. Then for that we are going to add space. For the height is 3. So this. And for the width is automatic. Fill pattern. For the height is 15%. And then let's do this again. The internet is logging in. We're going to test the project.
Hi. Go. Terima kasih.
Maybe it is taking it. We're going to test again. Repeat. Let's repeat. Maybe it was taking. So here is the image. You may see here. So let's continue to the project. So for the background color, we're going to change to blue. And then maybe we can add the space here. Maybe 15. So it was going more down. And then uh, in the horizontal, we are going to add vertical arrangement. So for the vertical arrangement, uh, for the width is 70, height is 70, and the width is 70. Oh yeah, for the horizontal arrangement, make it center and the element also center. So we are going to add space. So we're copying this first, and then add space. Okay, for the width is 1%, and duplicate the space. Okay, so for the space, background color maybe add more light. Yes. And just the color also same. This color too. And maybe that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so just for edition video, to continue the missing. So here I want to update for the space width here. We are going to add 2%, and this is also 2%, and yeah. And inside this box, we are going to add some text here, like label. And then we're going to make it to center, and for the width, just automatic. And let's write a text here, maybe for project. And then we're going to add space. For the height is 2%, and then add a label here. And make it into center again. And we're going to write maybe 5, and make it more bigger to maybe around 16. And wait, so for the project text is 12. Project text this is 12, and we're going to make it into the text color, change it into white. Then make it the font bold, and then for the 5 number, we're going to make 30, 30, 30, and make this text is 30, and change the color also to white. like this. And you can do it to other box here, whatever you want to add. And if you want to add like this phone number, you can do the same thing like the tutorial before, like add a vertical first and then the icon and then how much the space and then the number. And maybe that's all for me. Have a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.